And talking more about your journey, right?
Hmm.
You also interned in three different places, right? So one was Cleartrip.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, so would really want to know more about how you went ahead with the whole process of getting an internship
Hmm.
while being an engineer.
Okay. So my first internship was actually at a company called Blackbuck. So this was a startup and still is in Bangalore, which deals with logistics, trucking and all those things, going from point A to point B, delivering things like that. So I mean, I didn't apply anywhere. I knew a senior who worked there. His name is Viraj Verma, who recently was in Microsoft and now is in a startup. So yeah, I talked to him that yeah, I'm interested in all these things. I am interested in design. So is there any opportunity for internship or something? So there was a pretty small team, not a very big team, the design team. There were only 4 or 5 people, and yeah, including me, which I was the intern. So yeah, that was a pretty good experience actually in Bangalore. First time I was out in a city, and we used to work late till late at night, and then on weekends I also had 2 or 3 friends around. So we used to go around roaming in Bangalore's streets and all those things. So it was a pretty good experience, and that's when I decided, yeah, maybe this can be a something. Design can be something that I can take up professionally after that internship. So I worked on a project called Super Boss. It was a basically a mobile application which managed fleet. Fleet is a group of trucks. So let's say there is a truck owner who has a 50 fleet of truck. Okay, so he needs to manage all those things. So we built that for the truck owners who needed that, and it was a pretty good 2 month experience. And another internship I did was with Cleartrip. So this was during the winters of my third year. So I think December, and Blackbuck was in summers in my second year. So yeah, so Cleartrip's internship was pretty much not just related to design. It was a front end dev plus design kind of internship, just for 1 month. I was not explicitly looking for winter internships because I knew that 1 month internships are very hard to find. But yeah, I was, I was maybe lucky enough to get that internship. And yeah, after that, I worked on a project which was an internal tool. I'm not going to go into the details of that, but uh, during that, I also got to know the web development side of things and the front end dev side of things a little bit, not much. So that's when I thought, why not just maybe I can try and make my own portfolio website. So after the internship, when I came back to college in January, I started, exploring all these things, HTML, CSS, JS, and all those things, and made a pretty basic portfolio website. So yeah, that was the ClearTips internship, and that website actually helped me getting an internship at Swiggy. So when I, randomly messaged, I think Sapta over LinkedIn,
Mhm.
and he replied sometime very late around my third year when my third year was ending that why don't you send this mail with your portfolio and all that. So yeah, that's when the portfolio website helped to apply. And yeah, then there was the whole procedure of Swiggy's internship. There was an assignment and all those things, and I got
Mhm.
an intern in Swiggy as well. And with Swiggy, this was in 2019, I think 2019 summer, and I worked on pretty good projects actually, 2 3 very good projects. One of them was including a smartwatch application for tracking your food orders. So for both Apple Watch and the Google OS Watch.
Mhm.
So that actually got shipped in 2 months, and which was pretty great for me as an intern that our project is getting shipped in just 2 months.
Yeah.
And yeah, another thing was I worked on something related to premium restaurants, which were on the app. So that was a pretty fun project as well. I got to visit a lot of premium restaurants in reality and eat a lot of food. In I used to go in all these places in Bangalore, in Kormangla, and all that. and talk to those managers and all that and eat food. So that was a pretty good experience.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to Product Stories for more such episodes.